All right, so here's the thing. You ever wake up, grab your camera and think, today I'm gonna shoot something epic. But then you realize you have zero plan? Yeah, welcome to my world. No mood boards, no Pinterest inspo, not even a vague idea, just you, your camera, and vibes. All right, so when you don't have a plan and you come out to take photos because you like the clouds, this is what you end up with. So I'm back at the horse. And the reason I'm back at the horse is because last time I was here, it was blue skies and it was clear. And I like moody clouds and things like that. So I'm gonna see what I can get. So, yeah. Yeah, I just got a couple shots with some cool clouds. I actually jumped up there this time. Hope I'm not trespassing. I probably am. But yeah, using the 28-70. Might get a couple more from different angles and kind of see what's up. So yeah, we'll see how those come out. Don't know. Gotta change my battery. Go to the next location because, again, this is what happens when you go out and you have no plan. You're just like, I like the clouds, let's go take shots of something. So we just got to figure out where we're going next. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back, and as you can tell, there's a storm coming in, apparently. It's raining a little bit, windy as hell, and cold. But I gotta talk the talk and walk the walk. I keep telling you guys to get out and shoot, and I rarely show me getting out and shooting. So I'm getting out and shooting. So we're back at this cross. I didn't come out here to shoot the cross. I came out here because I wanted to get a high vantage point over the town with the clouds. Maybe get some shots at the cross, I don't know. But we'll see how everything turns out. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh wow, so got a couple shots. It's super windy. And, for it to be that windy this high up, probably not the greatest thing. Not to mention, coming up here, notice it lost a couple pounds of pressure on my tires. Hopefully it's due to weather, but I kind of keep an eye on that too. So I think we're gonna head over to the cemetery and see if we can get some shots there. The moody sky. So we'll see. Oh, that's a cool sky over there. Look, I don't know if you can see it way off there in the distance where it's kind of no clouds peeking through. It's pretty cool. So, all right, so stop number 3. So I just wanted to say that sometimes when you go out, it's okay not to have a plan if you just want to take shots of random things, just to get those shots in, you know. Go out, make sure to take, you know, 10 shots a day of something, doesn't matter what, and just try to make those shots as good as you can. So right now I'm at a cemetery and you know, I'm kind of dark myself, so, but sometimes you get some really cool statues in here. There's one over that my wife's looking at now, and probably get some shots of that. And then you got this Jesus statue right here. Again, not a religious guy, but I mean, I can appreciate the images. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some shots of some statues, and we'll see how that goes. All right. Now, some might call this street photography, while others might consider it going out and getting lost. I like to think of it as embracing the chaos. There's something magical about having no plan. It's freeing, well, until it's not. Let me tell you, nothing says creative genius like standing up on a hill, wind blowing at 50 miles per hour and about 15 degrees, wondering if the sky has reached its peak level of drama. This is the kind of content you signed up for, right? But honestly, here's the deal. Sometimes having no plan can lead to some of the best shots because you're not tied down by expectations. You're not thinking, oh, I gotta get this specific shot for Instagram. You're just out there exploring, shooting whatever catches your eye. And that's where the magic is. It's in those moments, you know, the ones that you didn't plan for, that you find the shots that tell the best stories. Maybe it's a person in a candid moment or a shadow that lines up perfectly with your subject. You just don't know until you're there. At the end of the day, the best part about going out with no plan is the discovery. You're learning to see the world differently, to look for beauty in the ordinary, or in my case, looking for beauty in the grim and dramatic. And even with coming back with a memory card full of meh shots, you were out there doing it, and that's what counts. So next time you grab your camera and have no idea what you're doing, don't stress it, just go. Wander, shoot. Worst case, you get some fresh air and a bit of exercise. Best case, you create something unexpected and awesome. Sometimes, the best plan is no plan. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my brand new Lightroom presets pack. It includes 13 presets that I personally use for all my current projects. And it's only $10. And until next time, go out, get lost, and shoot. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.